Hello and welcome to my shop. My name is George and I'm coming to you from Chelsea, Quebec. So I recently got myself a Google Home Mini for the shop, and I'm trying to train it to do a few tricks. Now in giving the verbal commands for it, I have to preface everything with the words that you see printed down here. I'm going to slice them out of the subsequent scenes in the video so that I don't end up triggering your Google Home Mini if you have one. If you don't have one, it's not going to make a difference. But just know that every one of my commands is led in with the words or. So here's some examples. Okay, turn on the bench lights.
Sure, turning on the bench lights.
Turn on the air cleaner.
Sure, turning on the air cleaner.
Turn off the air cleaner.
Okay, turning the air cleaner off.
Remind me to wipe down the BLO in 10 minutes.
All right, I'll remind you at 2:40 p.m.
Turn on the DC.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Turn on the DC.
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that.
Turn on the stupid dust collector.
Sorry, I can't help with that yet, but I'm always learning.
Hey, turn on DC.
Sure, turning the DC on.
Yeah, so the dust collector is a little loud. Stream CBC Radio 1, 91.5.
Streaming CBC Radio 1 from TuneIn.
I don't know if you can hear it, but it's coming through now. Okay, so I didn't want to make you wait for it, so you'll just go on my say-so that the unit did remind me that it was time to wipe down the BLO after 10 minutes had lapsed. So what are we looking at? Retail value for the Google Home Mini is $79 Canadian, which would work out to about $60 US. And then each of the power outlets, that's how they're being controlled now, they're specifically identified power outlets, one for the dust collector, one for the air cleaner, and one for the shop lights. Each of those is in the 15 to 18 Canadian dollar range. So again, 3/4 of that if you're thinking US dollars. Is it worth it? Well, you saw that once the dust collector came on, things were too loud for the Google Home Mini to hear my commands. So that meant it doesn't work perfectly all of the time. But if you're willing to, create a few workarounds, this is quite the interesting tool for the shop. It now means that I can turn the dust collector on no matter what appliance I'm running, and it also means that I can move the dust collector to different places. I used to have it sitting in the corner because that's how it reached the sensor, the current sensor that would turn it on automatically. Now I can turn it on automatically just by issuing the voice command. So that's an interesting thing to consider for your own shop. Listen, make some time for whatever your passion is, and if you get a chance, share it.